can touch the sky today. Let's enjoy the party. Ciao dear Sicily lovers! Welcome to this video. I am in a beautiful medieval village. It's very small. It's located near Cefalù, but this place is not so touristic like Cefalù. It's an undiscovered gem just in the heart of the Madonie Nature Reserve. That's why behind me you can see a beautiful landscape. The name is Pollina. Pollina is about 600 meters above the sea level, and if you stay in Cefalù during your tour of Sicily, you can enjoy the trip here in Pollina, because in my opinion it deserves a visit. You can find, of course, beautiful landscape, authentic food. You can relax because it's a very peaceful place. Not so much today because I'm here because they are celebrating a festival dedicated to Manna. Manna is a special nature product that comes out from ash trees. It's something really precious, we can say, because it's full of properties. Please thumbs up this video, share it with your friends, invite them to visit Sicily. If you want to enjoy Sicily with us, just visit our website bestthingstodoinsicily.com. You can join one of the Sicily Lovers Tour, a small group tour. We are already sold out for 3 editions. That's why we added another edition that will take place in June from 16 to 28, and you will enjoy Sicily to the fullest. Otherwise, if you want to enjoy a custom private tour of Sicily, you can ask us to put together a wonderful experience. Just visit bestthingstodoinsicily.com. Now I would like to share with you some beautiful people that are dancing and singing here in Pollina to celebrate the Sicilian style. Let's enjoy the party! Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily! Ciao dear Sicily lovers!
vetrà